Artificial intelligence is advancing at an incredible pace, and the future is closer than you think. From creative AI to ethical dilemmas, the next wave of breakthroughs is set to change the world as we know it. In this video, we'll explore 5 mind-blowing AI advancements that are shaping the future. Let's dive in. First up, generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney are revolutionizing creativity. Imagine an AI that can write a novel, compose a song, or even create stunning artwork in seconds. But it's not just about art. Generative AI is also being used in industries like healthcare to design new drugs and in gaming to create immersive worlds. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface. Next, let's talk about AI in space exploration. NASA and other space agencies are using AI to analyze vast amounts of data from telescopes, predict asteroid trajectories, and even control rovers on Mars. For example, AI algorithms are helping scientists identify exoplanets and analyze their potential for life. In the future, AI could play a key role in planning interstellar missions and discovering new frontiers. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical concerns are growing. One major breakthrough is the push for explainable AI, or systems that can explain their decisions in a way humans can understand. This is crucial for areas like healthcare, where AI diagnosis needs to be transparent, and criminal justice, where biased algorithms can have serious consequences. The future of AI isn't just about what it can do, it's about how we ensure it's fair and accountable. AI personal assistants are getting smarter. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just respond to commands, but anticipates your needs. Future AI assistants could manage your schedule, book appointments, and even predict your mood based on your voice or facial expressions. Companies like Google and Apple are already working on making these assistants more intuitive and human-like. Finally, AI is playing a crucial role in tackling climate change. From optimizing energy grids to predicting natural disasters, AI is helping us understand and combat environmental challenges. For example, AI is being used to monitor deforestation in real time and develop more efficient renewable energy systems. In the future, AI could be our greatest ally in creating a sustainable world. The future of AI is incredibly exciting, with breakthroughs that will transform every aspect of our lives, from creativity and space exploration to ethics and sustainability. AI is shaping a world we've only dreamed of. Which breakthrough are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights.